Hello everybody. Today I have my Lavish Laces design package to share with you. I haven't opened it yet, so it's always very exciting to see what is inside. So let's have a look together. And Lavish Laces is an Etsy store, and I will put details to it along with a coupon code in the description box below if you're interested in purchasing anything. The lady that owns it is named Gisela, and she has the most beautiful vintage laces and trims and antique papers in her store. Oh, look at this. Oh, wow. Well, this looks lovely, doesn't it? Oh, how lovely. I think I saw her making something like this not so long ago. So, oh, beautiful. Okay, I'll put that to the side and then we'll have a look. So we have some lace sample swatches. Look at this. And she's made these lovely cards. But look at the beautiful lace. And these are all from her store. Just beautiful. Look at this. This is an applique. She's got a lovely stamp there that says applique and lace. Oh, aren't they lovely? I didn't see that part. That's beautiful, isn't it? And then this gorgeous wide lace here. It's even folded over. Really, really beautiful. I love these stamps. Oh, they're beautiful. Thank you so much, Gisela. Look at this. And the lovely little tag on the top there. Oh, that's gorgeous. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It's absolutely gorgeous. Wow, how wide is that? That must be about 11 inches or something. It is 9.5. My goodness, that's gorgeous. It's such a big lace, but absolutely beautiful. I have to think of something very special for that piece. And then, oh, we have a vintage lace grab bag. That's exciting. So, we'll empty it out. And she has the grab bags available. Look at this lovely variety. Oh, this is beautiful. Love the colour of that. And then a little embroidered trim. Oh, look at this. Isn't that the sweetest? So nice. And then this one. Really beautiful and dainty. Look at this. Oh, isn't that nice? It looks so old. Really lovely. Really nice colour as well. Ooh, a bit of black lace, if you like black lace. Look at that one. Hold it like that, it's easier to see, isn't it? Very nice. And then we have a little, oh, a couple of little pieces here. That one there. And another one. And then we have this one here. That's nice, isn't it? I haven't seen that one. So that was our vintage lace grab bag. And then we have a beautiful variety of little trims here. Lots of trims today. That's nice. I've been using a lot, so it's nice to sort of replenish a little bit. Oh, look at how tiny that is. It is so tiny. Oh my, that's lovely. And a gorgeous lace there. Another little one, very dainty. Got that in my hand a little bit. There we go, there we go. And I hope everybody's been keeping well. Oh, I love this one. This one's beautiful. Look at that. Love that one. It's nice, isn't it? And then a lovely crochet trim. Really lovely. And that's not too thick either. It's really nice. Okay. And then we have another trim pack. This shows you a good variety of laces, and this is just a, you know, a sampling because she has so many laces of different kinds. So we've got a navy blue corded trim. That is really lovely. That is really lovely. There we go. Look at that. It's so different. And then we have black. Oh, look how tiny that is. I might have to do something with black. I rarely use black, but it does look beautiful. Like a little bit of black with the vintage tones can look really nice. So I may have to do something with like that. I'll just put that there. Oh, this is lovely. Look at that. It's really nice. It's a cotton trim. And lovely white trim. Lace. And then another black one. Like that. Oh, that's wonderful. Okay, and then we have a vintage applique grab bag. Now, grab bags, you don't sort of know what you're going to get, you just get it. Oh, look at that. That's a big applique piece, isn't it? Lovely. They'd be nice tea stained as well. That one there. Very pretty. Look at all the little circles. They could be very useful as well, couldn't they? That's lovely. Oh, that's gorgeous. Look at that. That's ever so soft. And that's in a creamy colour, that one. And that one. Beautiful. And a flower. Beautiful. And then lastly, that one there. Isn't that nice? That's so nice. Beautiful. And then we have a clear stamp set by Creative Expressions, designed by Sam Paul. Gisela has a huge, well, a very large variety of stamps from Creative Expressions in her store. That's really nice, isn't it? It's really nice. That'll be fun to use. And then lastly, we have a paper pack by Creative Expressions, also designed by Sam Paul. It's called The Astrologist. So I've had some of Sam Paul's other papers and I absolutely love them. Let's start from the back, shall we? And they're double-sided, which is always nice. So even if you're not into astrology or anything like that, these can be used very easily as background papers. And that, look at that, isn't that nice? And that. Colours are beautiful, aren't they? And so if I recall, so that was one set. I think you get 3 or 4 sets. One, probably tell me on the front here. 24 double-sided pages, 6 unique designs, and 4 sheets of each. That's right, and they're 8 inches by 8 inches, 150 grams the papers are. So that's wonderful. Oh, that's lovely. Look at those beautiful papers. So thank you so much for that, Gisela, and thank you everybody for having a look with me today. All these gorgeous, gorgeous things that she sent, and I shall have fun playing with these throughout October, and if there's any left after that, continuing on, along with other things from Gisela's store as well. So thank you for joining me, and take care, everybody. Bye.